Hello friends, today we are going to see about the drugs used for acid peptic disease in the proton pump inhibitor. So we will be discussing about what is peptic ulcer, what is the mechanism of action of proton pump inhibitor uses, adverse effects and the interactions. So what is peptic ulcer? Any break in the mucosa of the stomach, it is gastric ulcer. If it is in the duodenum, it is called duodenal ulcer. So, what are all the protective factors? We are having mainly the gastric mucus, bicarbonate, and aggressive factors, which includes acid, pepsin, and H. pylori. So, coming to physiology of acid secretion, it's mainly in the gastric antrum, gastric parietal cells. So, what are all the approaches for treating peptic ulcer? So, drugs which will going to reduce the acid secretion, and the drugs which will neutralize the gastric acid, which are mainly antacids. So, our drug proton pump inhibitor mainly going to abolish the hydrochloric acid secretion. The prototype drug is omeprazole. So, mechanism of action, omeprazole as such, it is an inactive prodrug. Inside the acidic environment, it rearranges to an sulfonamide, which will going to block the H plus K plus ATPase in the parietal cell luminal surface. So it is a prodrug. Bioavailability is only 50%, metabolized in the liver, and the T-half is about 1 hour. Coming to pharmacokinetics, the enzyme inhibition starts in about 1 hour and reaches the maximum at 2 hours, and the effect can last for 2 to 3 days. Uses apart from peptic ulcer disease, it is also used in gastroesophageal reflux disease, Zollinger-Ellison syndrome. Coming to dosage, for duodenal ulcer 4 weeks treatment, and gastric ulcer it is about 4 to 8 weeks treatment in the 20 mg OD dose. H. pylori induced peptic ulcer, mainly proton pump inhibitor stays the first line of treatment. Zollinger-Ellison syndrome, it is more effective than H2 blockers. Mainstay of treatment is surgery. It can also be used in the undercover of proton pump inhibitor. Coming to mostly the drug is well tolerated. In some patients, it can produce gynecomastia, erectile dysfunction, leukopenia, and all. And also, as a very rare adverse effect, it will accelerate the osteoporosis and also a gastric carcinoid tumors. Coming to drug interactions, mainly it will interfere with the clopidogrel activation, which needs CYP2C19 enzyme. So other drug is omeprazole, which is having a higher bioavailability compared to omeprazole, and longer T-half is there. Lansoprazole, pantoprazole, and rabeprazole. Rabeprazole is the fastest acid suppression. Pantoprazole is mostly acid stable. It is also available in other forms, like it is available in capsules, pansules, delayed release oral suspension, and all. So this is about a proton pump inhibitor, which mainly going to block H plus K plus ATPase.